Leverage the last one I want to go over here, and I want to keep today's session brief, but that is to leverage your secondary embeds. It's not a secret. It's in the interface. It's been in the interface for years. Haven't really pitched it very hard, told people what it is, but so it's definitely very underutilized. What that does is it gives a second iframe embed that goes out on the wire with your press release. This is great for things that you don't want people to see because it's a 1x1 and it doesn't generally show up visually on the page other than a little dot, and nobody knows what that little dot represents. So things you might actually use here is typically it's an ID page. That's what a lot of people are using it for. The second thing that people mostly use it for are the base page of a tiered embed form. You can use it for a regular embed form, if you wanted to as well, but most people will use the root of a tiered form for that as well. Oh, and by the way, with your embed forms, you can actually also do that, take your Google Sheets and embed those as well. So on that release one, and right next to the embed of the press release pickup, put the sheet for that as well, or put that on your base of the root next to the embed form for that release. You'd have an embedded version of the Google Sheet for that release as well. So you can embed those, and that's pretty awesome as well. If you're using cloud stacks, whether it's with Yax or some other tool, or you're building them manually or buying them from somebody, like Semantic or Heavy Hitters Club or somebody like that, you should feel free to use that for your secondary embed. Some people will just use the GMB map or a YouTube channel, and very few people will, but sometimes they do, will use the Press Advantage organization page, which ends up creating kind of a circular embed, so it loops there, and it has the effect of kind of walking out the crawler's crawl depth there again, and essentially getting that Googlebot trapped in your page.